Welcome to this Lopes Talk video discussing engaging students in science for grades 6, 7, and 8. I'm Shawn McAlpine, a former science and current math teacher at St. Labray Middle School. Students need to be involved in active inquiry to engage in science learning. Strategies include experiments that ask students to ask questions, make predictions, take part in demonstrations, and explain the science phenomenon that they have observed in the experiment. Two such experiments are the topic of heat transfer by radiation, convection, and conduction. And another one is genetic studies on plants that reproduce quickly and can go through several generational cycles in a year. Not only should students answer, predict, demonstrate, and explain observations to engage in active science inquiry, these students also need to collaborate and interact. Engagement strategies to support that purpose include starting with team building exercises like the human knots activity, where students stand within a circle, cross arms at the wrist, and grasp hands with two different people. The object of this activity is for students to try and untangle the knot created without letting go of the hands of others. Another important way to promote interaction and collaboration is by assigning each member of the group an important role in the inquiry and learning process. In order to capture and to hold students' interest, teachers must think through their lesson plans thoroughly enough to have their end goal in mind. Students benefit from rubrics that clearly detail what a proficient job looks like in doing their scientific inquiry. Breaking down the larger tasks into smaller, more manageable amounts and having a timeline will help keep students from getting overwhelmed and shutting down. Finally, it is important to incorporate technology for the learners to do a couple of important things: provide immediate input or feedback, and to allow for a pictorial and audio expression of their understanding. Using live polling through smart response clickers, up to 32 clickers per personal computer, is an excellent way for the students to be involved immediately in discussion. The use of Flipgrid student video response allows students to input a video response for other students to view and interact with. Thank you for listening and finding a new tool or two to add to your practice of engaging middle school students in scientific inquiry.